Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing the pop socket from the Magsafe disc. This prevents magnets from shifting and keeps the adhesive clean. Once done, power off or use airplane mode, then press the pop socket center and rotate about 1/4 turn while pulling gently. Make sure to have 70% isopropyl, a microfiber cloth, and a thin plastic pry tool on hand. These protect the phone finish. You'll avoid metal tools because they scratch, so plastic and soft cloths are safer choices. You now clean and inspect both surfaces to restore adhesion and magnet contact. Use a microfiber with isopropyl to remove oils and contaminants, wiping in one direction for 10 to 15 seconds. This improves bonding. Once clean, examine the adhesive ring for nicks, dust, or hardened glue, because even tiny particles prevent full contact. If you see residue, gently lift it with a thin plastic pick. Avoid metal tools so you don't warp the Magsafe disc or damage coil alignment. You finish by reapplying a Magsafe-compatible adhesive or replacing the adhesive ring. That restores proper magnetic coupling and torque. Align the pop socket so the magnet array sits centered over the Magsafe disc, then press firmly and hold for 30 to 45 seconds to achieve initial bond. Once set, let it cure per adhesive directions, but you can gently test with a small pull. If it shifts or peels, remove and repeat alignment. Troubleshooting tip: if it still fails, try a fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.